So this past December, we lost a dear friend and a very valued employee, our Vice President of Fleet, Mike Wilson, who played a big role in the growth of this conference.
Mike Wilson was a friend of ours and somebody that really helped us, build our relationship with Casella. And so really we felt it appropriate to honor Mike with this sponsorship and really for the employees of Casella, a little bit of fun at the same time.
Mike was a great guy, a lot of industry knowledge. He was easy to work with and very knowledgeable. We're really happy that we could dedicate this event in his honor.
He was a genuinely kind person, but he worked really hard. He really wanted to see the team grow. He wanted to get the maintenance software in place. He wanted to make sure that we had the best trucks available to our folks in the field.
Well, Mike was always very low-key, but to the point. So he was with us a very kind of a short time, but as you can see, he left a lasting impact.
Mike and I had a lot of the same interests, so it wasn't only work stuff. We were off doing things on the weekends or doing hunting trips and whatever we enjoyed together. So yeah, it was a tough one to lose him, and it was a tough one for Casella to lose because he was very good at what he did.
One of his favorite pastimes was go-kart racing. And we would come to this venue at Foxwoods Resort to go-kart race. And I don't think he ever lost. So we're gonna celebrate with the first annual Casella Grand Prix. And the winner of, there's over 100 participants, the winner will receive the Mike Wilson Cup.
I'm sure Mike is looking down on us all right now, smiling with a little glass of bourbon going. So, that was really great. So again, congratulations to the Casella team. Thank you for your partnership and belief in Milton Cat. We really appreciate it. And congratulations.
I just wanted to tell everybody that I had an opportunity to text Mike's daughter before this started, show her the picture, show her the trophy, and she said one of her best memories with her dad was being down here with her sister and him racing go-karts. She said that he had the biggest smile on his face the whole time. So he is looking down. He does appreciate all this, and he's so glad that everybody's here and having a good time. She was sure of that.
The winner of the Mike Wilson Memorial Cup race is
Zach Curry.